going to be making a cheesy potato and meat casserole. To start out with, grab 1 can of Campbell's cheese soup, 1 can of evaporated milk. With those together, set it aside. Next, cook up ground meat, beef or I'm using turkey, 2 pounds. Drain, put that aside. Next, grab some potatoes. You can slice and cook about 4 russet or 24 new potatoes, or just grab 2 cans of sliced new potatoes. You're going to need 4 cups of shredded cheese, cheddar and or mozzarella. I'm using both. Start with greasing a 9x13 casserole dish. Then layer your potatoes, your meat, then your cheese. Repeat. Potatoes, meat, and cheese once again. Then top with your soup mixture. Cover with foil. Cook for 350 degrees for 1 hour. Remove the foil, cook for 15 more minutes, and then we're done. Enjoy. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and watch one of my other videos. Thank you.